As a site manager, you have several options available if you need to log hours on behalf of your volunteers. From the overview page of your organizer dashboard, there will be a section for Submit Hours. From here, you can easily log hours on behalf of a single volunteer on your site. This is generally the easiest option if you just need to quickly log an hour on behalf of a single person. Alternatively, if you go to the Volunteers page for your organization, you have the ability to select multiple volunteers and then log hours in bulk. This can be done using the Choose an Action drop-down. To use this option, all of the volunteers selected need to have the same information for the hour log. For instance, if all committee members attended the same meeting, you could easily log hours in bulk for everybody who participated. Another option from the Volunteers page is to use the Import tool under the Add Volunteers section. This gives you the ability to import hours on behalf of a group of volunteers or multiple entries for a single volunteer. To import hours, you will need to match up your data in an Excel spreadsheet based on the current fields you have on your hour log. Then copy and paste it into the Import tool and validate the submission. This is the best option when you have a large amount of data with various details for each day and activity. You also have the ability to log hours directly from your event calendar. If your organization uses the calendar to coordinate opportunities, you can go back to a past event and review the list of volunteers who originally RSVP'd. You can update the number of hours that they spent at the activity and then log hours on behalf of everybody who said that they would attend. Verifying hours from a past event is generally the best option if your organization is already coordinating opportunities through the calendar. Another option as an administrator is to log hours on behalf of volunteers using the mobile app. When you visit your hour log, you will have the ability to update the volunteer selected and log hours on behalf of another user. This is a great option when you don't have access to a computer and need to log hours right away. Other options for logging hours on site include a digital sign-in sheet for events, as well as a check-in kiosk. With various options available, you can decide when you want volunteers to log their own hours and when you would prefer to log them on their behalf as an administrator.